Are you looking for the best multimeters in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best multimeters that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Klein Tools CL800 Digital Clamp Meter. It is one of the finest multimeter available in the market, having true RMS, root mean square, or TRMS technology. Due to TRMS technology, it is capable of detecting both sinusoidal and non-sinusoidal AC currents up to 600 amps accurately. With its gorgeous slimmer body, this clamp meter is an auto range meter, so you don't need to set range every time. It can also be used to check resistance, continuity, capacitance, temperature and diodes testing. Another awesome feature we found in it is low impedance mode, by which stray or ghost voltages can be easily identified. Its plastic body and buttons seem very sturdy and of good quality, covered with dual rubber coating which gives extra safety insulation. LCD with bright backlight is ranged up to 6,000 counts. After testing many multimeters and comparing their features, we found that this one is really a multitasker with higher reading ranges than others. If you are an industrial technician, you will love its features with an impressively lower price than other multimeters which meet its characteristics. Up next in the 4th place is the Etekcity Digital Multimeter Amp Volt Clamp Meter. Electronics or electrical work has no mercy for errors and false readings. It always needs reliable, accurate measurements to take the next step during troubleshooting. So there will be space for the best multimeters in the market always. Etekcity is not so old in the world of electric tools, but they come with many nice additions to them. One among them is Etekcity Digital Multimeter MSRC 600. A multimeter which can give AC/DC voltage up to 600, can read resistance, continuity testing and diode test, and still in this price is really the best multimeter for money. Its outer surface is made up of ABS plastic material, comes with an easy to hold hand carry pouch. Its clamps can encircle wire up to gauge 26 mm for checking AC current without interrupting current flow. You can hold data to check reading in its relatively large LCD. There is also another worthy feature we notice, which was max reading. During test of the locked rotor in HVAC compressor or any other scenario, you can check maximum reading drawn by the meter during test time. One flaw we notice in it is that it can't read DC currents, but it is not so bothering as we rarely need that. The 3rd product on our list is the Fluke 117 323 Kit Multimeter and Clamp Meter. Everyone in the electrical or electronics field is familiar with Fluke, as they are providing extremely precise tools for years. Here is another good product of Fluke, which is 117 323 Combo Kit. It includes a digital multimeter and general-purpose clamp meter with true RMS technology, having a range up to 400 amps AC and AC/DC voltage up to 600 V. 323 multimeter has a bright LED backlight which is helpful in poor light areas. It can give noise-free readings for resistance, frequency, continuity and capacitance as well. There is a min, max, AVG record option available, so you can check signal fluctuation with time. Another nice addition we found in it is it has volt alert technology to detect voltages contact-free. With the passage of time, as we had automated almost every piece of industrial equipment to saving time and human effort. Now is the time that our tools should also be smart enough to automatically distinguish between different signals. Following advancements in tools, World Fluke is also bringing nice add-ons to their products. In this multimeter you don't need to change AC/DC voltage selection from the button every time, as it can intelligently differ between AC and DC voltages. You also got min, max volt feature, true RMS, VLOT alert and low impedance mode technology. If you don't want them both, you can buy Fluke 117 and 323 separately. Second on our list is the Innova 3340 Automotive Digital Multimeter. If you want to have a multimeter for household use, checking small equipment, testing batteries, or you want to sort out DC electrical issues of your car, boat or RV, this one will be your first choice. Innova 3340 comes with a huge number of useful features at such an affordable price that you may think of it as a replacement for Fluke or other expensive ones. A wider display, enclosed in a nylon pouch with rubber guards and proper leads laying place, auto range ability, RPM reading, alternator testing and many other features forced us to love it and include it in our list. Apart from RPM reading capacity which makes it a tachometer as well, we notice one other exceptional functionality of this meter, which is duty cycle or pulse width record capability. You can deeply analyze the activity of your motor or other machinery by checking the duty cycle easily. That when and for how much time it was on or off when it achieved peak power and lowest power throughout the time. It's really an impressive function it gives. It's a UL certified product that has a wrist strap, making its hands-free use possible. It could perform better for test alternator diodes, circuit breakers, electronic relays, wiring, safety switches, DC circuits, PLC and many more. We notice that unfortunately there is no backlight in its display. It would be perfect if there was in it. Also, AC amperes range is low. Finally, the top product on our list is the Tekpower Mastech digital multimeter meter. Here we got an elegantly designed heftier multimeter with a dark color scheme. It's slightly bigger in size than average multimeters, built with solid material. Soft buttons for main functions like range for setting auto and manual range, select button, hold and light button for backlight are placed at top of its interface just under LCD. Options around the selector wheel are bright and less in number so a newbie or hobbyist not get confused while testing basic parameters. As we all are not scientists or engineers to understand complex range selection and plenty of technical variables, because for routine and general needs we don't use them. This multimeter gives you a simple understanding and accurate measurements for general use like testing your faulty microwave oven, a battery that goes out of power, motorcycle circuits checking, voltage and amperes readings and other automotive and household applications. What else do you expect from a best multimeter, that in the reasonable price range it should give trustworthy results, having all basic functions, solid material and safety considerations. We found almost all these standards in it. We found another nice feature of light and sound warning if you mistakenly used wrong banana jacks for relative function. That seems helpful for newbies. Its backlight goes off after 5 seconds automatically. This thing is annoying to some extent. While working long hours you have to press the light button every time. After 15 minutes of inactivity multimeter will power off to save battery. There is also an option to disable this function. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.